can't see me. Time for a little five-knuckle shuffle, and here it is.
Can Cena put Rollins away? Going for the attitude adjustment now. He's got Cena up on his shoulders, and here comes Kane. Kane with a big boot to Cena. And this matchup, disqualification. And now the assault coming.
Here comes the mugging.
Did your head go out? Is this like a surprise to you, John? Did you think this wasn't going to happen?
Yeah, but this is an awful situation for Cena. 2-on-1 assault. Kane, Orton. And now a choke slam to Cena. You had to figure at some point this was going to happen here.
I think Cena knew this was going to happen. He came down here anyway for a shot at Seth Rollins.
Oh, boy.
Now Orton just in position.
Gracias.